Hey guys, what's up? Curly Gameplay 5 here. And today I'm gonna teach you how to install map on Minecraft PE. And the app you need is ES File Explorer and the app RAR. This thing. This RAR thing, yeah. So first you need to download the map that you want. So I download the floor after floor that we play on the last video. So you need to go to RAR and go to downloads. Where is it? There we go, download. So click that and extract this thing. Click that, and destination path you need to place it on the download. So I don't need to extract it, but press the OK, not cancel, because I already extract it. See that? And now we need to go to ES File Explorer. There we go. So first thing you need to do is go in here and search Minecraft. There we go. And go back, and I'm in the download. So search here, download. So click that, and you can see floor after floor, and not delete, copy that and go to Minecraft Worlds and paste it in. There we go. So overwrite it, apply to all. So yeah guys, that's how you install your Minecraft PE worlds that you download. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe now. So yeah guys, bye bye.